My third and final altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is a bit of waves, guys. We've got waves coming through here. The ocean is here. As you can see here, we're going to be starting off on the daily. We've got all-time highs at around 41.75. You can see the Viva resistance from this zone, very strong indeed. And not just recently in terms of price action, what we have seen, obviously, the huge Bitcoin crash. But before that, back in October, we actually didn't see any more bullish momentum really form. It's just been a dirty, filthy downtrend from there. So yeah, not the ideal scenario there. We do obviously have this very strong horizontal as well to the lower side there. And this is obviously going to be a point to be looking out for there for a bounce point if this this downtrend is going to continue, right? That's going to be around a $12.77 there. I know it's really quite far away, but that is going to be the bounce point to be looking out for there for waves if we do get to that sort of area. I would be inclined to bang another horizontal probably in around this sort of area as well. You can see the resistance there. You can see resistance multiple times along this zone as well. So yeah, hopefully we can find support here. And you can see actually in terms of live price, we have pretty much banged it from this zone already, right? We have pretty much banged it from this zone already, considering what did we see a couple days ago? We saw Bitcoin obviously fall off a cliff, waves, and pretty much every other cryptocurrency as well fell off a cliff as well, right? Did the base jump? We did a, what's it called? A base jump from the Grand Canyon, right? We did a base jump from the Grand Canyon and saw the price get down to around $15 there. So hopefully we can actually hold the support here. If we can, hopefully we can bang it up. But to be honest with you, it's really not looking that great in terms of lower highs here, guys. We've got very strong lower highs continuously and not really any momentum to really invalidate them. We did try to invalidate these ones here, but you can see we just got rejected, right? We just got rejected. So that just shows there's a lot more bears in the water. Bears in the air. So yeah, the bears are more present, right? That's what I'm trying to say here. So for waves, the bears are present. So I would say it's still looking pretty bearish. Maybe we're going to come down and test this horizontal yet again before having another progressionary move to the upside. Let me jump down to the shorter term time frames because we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, guys, at the bottom of a downtrend, right? And that basically means that we've got a bearish pennant chart pattern. A bearish pennant chart pattern, guys, is a symmetrical triangle at the bottom of a downtrend, and they tend to usually break to the downside, right? So the crucial points that I would be looking at for a potential short position here is going to be losing this horizontal that we literally just plotted in here. You can see how strong the support is. If we are going to see this bearish momentum actually play out there, we're going to be losing this symmetrical triangle to the lower side there. We're going to be banging it. We're going to be testing this horizontal here. And if we lose that horizontal, guys, that's when I'm going to be like, hello, money. We're going to be taking a short position from this horizontal down. There's going to be a volume weighted ATR band coming through us here as well. You can see actually the support that we can get on this zone multiple times here. So there's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for there. For the future, I would be looking at basically using this as a massive take profit point. I mean, in terms of a measure move down, I would probably be looking at something along the lines of this here. Nothing too crazy, and it's probably actually we'll probably close our position before we get to that volume weighted ATR band, but still around a 7.64% gain when we do break to the downside, right? So yeah, that's definitely a position that I'm going to be looking at for the future there for waves. But yeah, overall bearish, potential short position to be looking out for there. But yeah, not too bad in terms of making money, right?